So, key advice really is to use the app or look online to see who's coming and make a list of 5 or 6 organisations that you would like to engage with. So it's important that you look at their website to find out about the range of jobs they have on offer, the time they recruit, when they recruit, what they're looking for in recruitment, so that you can try and introduce yourself to them, reflecting the skills and experience they are looking for. Also do your best to see if you can find out who their competitors are. It also helps you to ask them questions as well. So make the most of the event. Less is more, so 5 or 6 really detailed will be better than, say, visiting 20 organisations. And remember, they have a variety of openings for graduates, so don't make any assumptions. Go with an open mind, do your research, try and find out about organisations on LinkedIn or local press or national press. That's a good way to start. Then you might need to think about questions to ask them, questions that may not be clear from their information. So prepare questions to ask, and then think about questions they might ask you. So they might ask, how have you coped during the pandemic? What additional skills have you managed to develop whilst on lockdown? Things like that, because you need to convey to them that you're a really proactive person, you're really energetic, you're keen to learn, you can drive yourself and develop yourself all the time, so that you can show that you really would be an asset to them. One top tip I think is worth sharing is that it is better to speak to people, so you can arrange your 10-minute chats, having attended perhaps a presentation, but think about how you're going to introduce yourself. So prepare an introduction and think about that. And then when you think about the introduction, also make sure you get the details of the person you speak to. Find out as much as you can and then send your CV to them after your meeting. That way you can target it to exactly what they're looking for. Whereas if you send it to them in advance, you won't be able to do that. So really be focused, show you're articulate, and make the most of the event.